Our tribe's journey was long and dangerous, but we carried the sacred flame. We had to protect it at all costs, for fire was our only hope. Welcome to the warmth of our fire. Here, we are safe from the dark. Together, we share the hunt. This fire keeps our tribe alive. Gather around and listen to the elders' tale. Long ago, the great fire spirit guided our people, feared no beasts, and that is how we found our home. Look, a spark! Sparks become a flame. This changed everything. We explored far and wide, we made better tools, and built our first homes. Every great journey begins with a single spark, a flame that illuminates the path to our future. From tools to knowledge, we built civilization. This is our shared story.